Yeah, there's something off. Hello, I'm back live. That's actually... Hello. I don't know what signal, because I don't know them, but it worked out, right? It worked out perfect, look. That's actually a nice one. That's the green and black one. And they're gonna go around. We're going to see humans just for a little bit. They're gonna fix somebody, I know, because they're playing Fix You by Coldplay. I'm kidding. 6 engines. Whoa. Yeah, there's something off. Hello, I'm back. Hello, sir. Hi, I like your panorama. I used to sell watches, I don't anymore. Give us your horn if you understand. I don't know if you heard. Okay. And I think in a way it's nicer than the other one coming in, but it's kind of far. So let's...
Well guys, I hope you liked this video from Haulover Beach Inlet. Today was kind of a exclusive show for Midnight Express. We usually see a lot, and Sunday there were a few. So I was able to do this short video for you to enjoy. Also, I want to thank all the subscribers and everybody that is helping the channel, leaving comments below and thumbs up. It's important for a channel like mine to receive comments and thumbs up so that YouTube recognizes the channel and promotes it a little bit more. For now, this is all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.